Here's my mouse-controlled etch-a-sketch. I'll give you a little demonstration first. So, here you can see that as I move this mouse around, the path is drawn on this etch-a-sketch. So now a little overview of how this is happening. Signals from the mouse go onto this breadboard here, and the signal gets cleaned up by these comparators along here, and then that signal is fed into these microcontrollers, which decodes the signal that's coming from the mouse, and then that signal is fed out through here into this driver board, which powers the stepper motors that are attached to the knobs of the etch-a-sketch. So looking at this a little bit more in depth, I have a mouse that I've taken apart, and if you look closely you can see the two encoder wheels, and as you move the mouse the ball moves these wheels, and it's kind of tricky to see on this camera, but as it moves the outer edge spins around and it blocks this light sensor on the edge, and so the signals from this mouse travel through, and we can actually see them on this LED display. So if we move just one of the wheels, you can see those are the two lights on the right side. See, those are going on and off, and you need two of them so you can figure out what direction they're going in. And you can see that as I move it in one direction, the left light goes on and off before the right one. And likewise in the other direction, you can see that the right light goes on and off before the left one. And so then we have the other wheel controlling these two in the same way. And then that signal is traveling into these two microcontrollers, which decodes the signal into the message that this driver board wants to receive. And then, here we'll take a look in here. This big copper piece is a heat sink to keep it from getting too hot. And then these stepper motors have 6 wires that control which coils are energized. And so those 6 wires travel through these cables, 6 wires each, and they go into stepper motors, and then you can move the mouse around and draw stuff.